In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve stability on less reliable connection while using TunnelBear VPN. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your TunnelBear VPN app. And as you can see, my VPN is already on. To improve stability, head over to settings here. And if you click on it, you can see we have quite a number of options. So under these settings, look for the option called connection, and under connection, go to TCP override. When this is turned on, it will improve stability on less reliable connections. I'll go ahead and toggle this on. I'm told tunnel will reconnect when you turn on TCP override. This should only take a moment, and now I'll go ahead and confirm the changes. And now this will always make sure that there is improved stability on less reliable connections. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.